Guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing some really awesome DIYs that pretty much cost me nothing. This was free on the side of the road. I love a good yard sale, and then everyone throws their stuff on the side of the road, so it's a free-for-all, which I love that. So any chance I see that on Facebook, I will run to that house with no shame. Went ahead and sanded it, painted it white, and then now I have this smaller wood round and this little wood palette. These are both from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stain them both. This is the espresso stain, and this is by Varathane. I grabbed this from Walmart on clearance, and I will probably use this in every single video until it is completely gone. Now, once everything was dry, I just went ahead and glued that palette on this side and just glued it right to that white frame that I painted. And then I'm just going to go ahead and figure out where exactly I wanted that circle. And then we're just going to go ahead and glue that to the top.
I heard that behind every man is a woman, but they don't get the credit or the fame and the fortune they earn. When men get money to burn.
Trying to use as much as I possibly can out of my craft stash because I feel like we already spent money on it, so we might as well just go ahead and use it. So this hello hook, this was from Dollar Tree, I want to say a couple years ago. So if you guys have these in your stash, this is kind of a cute little way to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and dry brush. I'm just using a dark brown paint to dry brush. You can use any sort of paint. It doesn't matter what kind it is. I just really like this because it's a little bit darker. This is from Michaels. It's from the Craft Smart brand, and it's the color espresso. And then now I just went ahead and added a little plant here, but you could even hang a small wreath if you wanted to. I don't think that I put my palette and my hook far apart enough to add a wreath, but you could definitely do that with a larger sign.
And I'm cooking on the meal, standing up in my heels, dreaming of a world where the
Next up is two of these wooden boxes from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint them both white. Once that was dry, I just went ahead and glued the two together. And now I love making signs out of these. It's usually what I do. I like to stain them. It's kind of, I think I have these all around the house, honestly, stained with some sort of chocolate couture transfer on them. This transfer came from Amazon. I've had this for so long. I've used it so many different times, but I just think that it might as well just I might as well keep using it until I can't anymore. This one is the Farm Fresh with the chicken, pig, and the cow, eggs, meat, and whatever else it said at the bottom. I'm using the color eucalyptus chalk paste for the words, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use the velvet chalk paste. Those are from Chalk Couture. I've never tried any other paste, so I'm not really one to ask if any other is good, but assuming that they're all kind of similar. But I do love the Amazon transfers, so if you think Chalk Couture is too much, I will definitely link some down below for you guys. So you have different options, and they always have Farmhouse on the Amazon website. Now I just love peeling it off and seeing what it looks like when it is all done. I'm going to go ahead and dry brush. This is with that same espresso paint. Like I said, I just kind of use this with absolutely everything. Maybe I'm using black. What am I using here? I think it's black paint. I don't even know. But now I'm going to go ahead and add some twine to the bottom just to give this a little bit of extra. You can always do something with the back if you want. No one's going to see it in my home, so I never do. Once the twine was wrapped around, I just went ahead and tied it off, and that is it for this one.
man for me, and I can drink like a queen. They told me diamonds are a girl's best friend. Well, I got bills to spend. I might sell like a 10. They say I'm too loud, I'm too proud to be.
These in my stash, these were $1 at Dollar General. I think they're actually buy one get one free when I bought them. They always have a lot of buy one get one free options or sales. I just went ahead and painted them white and then just dry brushed them with the espresso paint. And then now I'm just going to put everything back together. I did tear these apart so I could paint around the lids. They were pretty easy to get back together. But anyways, I just added some lavender to these, and I just like the way these look. I think I don't have enough of this kind of stuff around my house, so why not just add these to a tier tray or a tiny shelf? Next one is a repurposed one. This is from Chalk Couture, and I added that happiness chalk stencil anyways to the middle, and then I just went ahead and sanded it down. I loved these houses when Chalk Couture had them. I've not seen them in a couple years, which is such a bummer because they have been like one of my favorites to use. I just went ahead and painted the middle black, and then I did have this Rooster from Walmart. I just went ahead and painted it in the hazelnut color. Now it doesn't look super hazelnut because I kind of shook the paint and mixed it, and it just wasn't mixing right, but I was like, I actually kind of like this color, so we're just going to go ahead and go with it. And then once that was done and painted, I just went ahead and added a transfer. This is from Chalk Couture, and they do still have these. I think I just bought this recently, so if I can find this one, I'll link it down below. They do have like their last chance sales, so they still have it available. I will link it for sure. And then I just wanted to go ahead and use the eucalyptus chalk paste. I thought it was just something a little bit different than white, although I do love my white chalk paste. Minute, I decided to go ahead and dry brush with that espresso paint once again with that Rooster. I just thought it would just look a little sad, and I just always kind of need to dry brush everything. I just think it looks a little bit better. Then I'm just going to grab my hot glue gun and glue it. I recently grabbed Surebonder glue sticks because they were cheaper than my Gorilla hot glue sticks, and I will just never go back. The Gorilla brand is just honestly the best for everything. Personally, that's just how I personally feel about it. The glue gun has lasted forever. The glue sticks are just great. Like, it's all just great. So I'm kind of regretting on switching my brand. But anyways, this is what it looks like when it's done. And I think it is really cute. It's plain, but not. It's great. Side of the road freebie. Like I said, I just love those. Went ahead and sanded it down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just paint it with some Waverly chalk paint in white. This did take 2 coats. Once that was done, I did just want to add another Chalk Couture transfer. Now I use these a lot, and if everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's so expensive, like I said, you go to Amazon. They have some great deals. But I just think it makes everything look high-end in my home. So if I was gonna go to Hobby Lobby and buy something, it would more realistically look like stuff like this versus not, I guess, if you want to put that into perspective. But I'm just using that eucalyptus paste once again. I was going to add some detail and like fun stuff to this, and I decided to go ahead and leave this plain. I think this is just going to work nice in my home, so I just didn't want to do anything with it. I can always add things down the road if I choose to, but I think this is just going to be one of those pieces that I have in the background of photos or something like that. So I did try to like add something to the front of this just to see how it would look, and I don't know, I just think it personally looks cute as is. But you guys, that is it for the video. It was a short and sweet one. These were kind of quick DIYs, so if you guys don't have a ton of time on the weekend and you want to do something quick, these are definitely for you. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribed, and until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!